Okay, people, just a short video on my latest adventure. Steve gave me the heart out of the doe that he killed Saturday, and this is it. Ooh, there it is. It's uncooked, but I trimmed the fat off of it and the valves and the Purkinje fibers, and then I add a little mustard, some sriracha, capers, Worcestershire sauce, and of course salt and pepper. And we're making us some little toasties here. And here, Jack, I'll show everybody. Raw deer heart is good to eat. Why you people are throwing... Oh, that's hot. Why you people are throwing this away is beyond me. Look, get a good picture of it. Deer heart in the raw. Delicioso. Hot. Oh, that's good. All right. Good.